First up, we get you the latest on the Janeo Rao, where protests have erupted in Mysuru and Kalaburgi. This over the alleged removal of the sacred threat of those two students in Shivamogga during the CET examination. Meanwhile, FIR has been registered against CET exam official. An investigation has been initiated in this matter. Brahmin Mahasabha that has demanded immediate arrest of the accused. As we stay with these protest pictures, joining me on the broadcast is Smita from Republic Kannada to take us through the latest. Smita, Hindu groups are up in arms.
Exactly, after extensive report from Republic Kannada throughout yesterday regarding the two incidents in Bidar and Shivamogga, where students who were about to attend CET exams were forced to remove their genu. One student from Bidar was not allowed to attend the exam also. After this, a huge protest have erupted throughout the Karnataka. Today, the Brahmin Mahasabha in Karnataka has called out for a huge, massive protest against the CET board and also the state government regarding this Janeo Rao. And also there has been a complaint against the officials who objected the students from attending the exam unless they remove their genu. And Republic Kannada also spoke with the student who was objected the examination and his mother also. Both of them are demanding for a written clarification from the KEA board, whereas the KEA board has orally assured that the student will be given the ranking according to the two exams that he has already attended. But the parent and the student wants a written clarification from the KEA board. Along with this, the Brahmin Mahasabha has also reached out the student and the parent, and in their support, there is a huge protest which is ongoing in Karnataka, throughout Karnataka. Though the incident happened in two places, Bidar and Shivamogga, but throughout the state, the massive support from the community is growing towards the students and against the KEA and also the Congress-led government down here in Karnataka.
Smita, do stay on with us.